saw her sitting in the rain, raindrops falling on her. She didn't seem to care. She sat there and smiled at me, and I knew she could make me happy, happy, happy. The flowers in her hair, flowers everywhere. Simply caught my eye. I love the flower girl. She was so sweet and kind. She crept into my mind, to my mind. I knew I had to say hello. She smiled up at me, and she took my hand and walked through the park alone. Happy, happy. The flowers in her hair, flowers everywhere. I love the flower girl. I don't know just why. She simply caught my eye. I love the flower girl. She was so sweet and kind. She crept into my mind. Suddenly the sun broke through. I turned around, she was gone, and all that I had left was one little flower from her hair. And I knew she had made me happy, happy, happy. The flowers in her hair, flowers everywhere. Just a dream to me. I love the flower girl. She showed me a way to find the sun.